Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best floor jacks for pickup trucks that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for the perfect jack to handle your truck or SUV, we've got you covered with detailed reviews and comparisons. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Jack Boss 3-ton capacity fast lift service jack. This jack is designed to handle up to 3 tons, making it a reliable option for most pickup trucks, SUVs, and even cars. Its lifting range spans from 5.15 inches to 18.3 inches, giving you the versatility to handle a variety of vehicles. The 4-inch saddle diameter provides a stable lifting platform, and its heavy-duty steel construction ensures years of durability and reliable performance. One of the standout features here is its mobility. Thanks to the rugged universal joint and steel front casters paired with 360-degree swivel casters, this jack is easy to maneuver into position. It also meets ANSI ASME Pass safety standards, so you can work with peace of mind. However, one downside is the lack of a listed price, which makes it hard to compare value. Still, at just 6.6 pounds, its lightweight design makes it a convenient option for quick tire changes or emergency repairs on the go. Overall, the Jack Boss 3-ton floor jack is a solid choice for practical, everyday use, especially for those needing a lightweight and easy-to-handle jack. While it may lack some of the premium features of higher-ranked jacks, its durable build and straightforward functionality make it a dependable option. Pros include its lightweight design and ease of mobility, while cons are the absence of a price point and its slightly lower maximum lift height compared to others on the list. At number 4, we have the Power-Built 640912 3-ton all-in-one bottle jack and jack stand. This clever piece of equipment combines 2 crucial tools, a bottle jack and a jack stand, into one compact and convenient unit. With a 3-ton, 6,000 pounds capacity and a lift range of 11 inches to 21 inches, this jack is well suited for pickup trucks, SUVs, and even off-road vehicles. Its wide base adds stability, making it a reliable choice for uneven or softer surfaces such as dirt or gravel. This jack shines in its simplicity and safety. The built-in ratcheting safety bar ensures that the jack stand stays locked in the raised position, so you don't have to worry about the vehicle shifting or slipping. It's also worth noting that it meets ANSI standards and comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. However, this jack may not be the fastest option for those needing to lift their vehicles in a hurry, as it lacks the speed of a hydraulic floor jack. Priced at $81.99 is the most budget-friendly option on our list, making it the great choice for those who want dependable performance without breaking the bank. Pros include its compact design, affordability, and added safety features, while cons are its slower operation and slightly more limited lift range compared to other models. Coming in at number 3, we have another excellent option from Power-Built, the 620471 3-ton all-in-one bottle jack and jack stand. This model is an upgrade over the 640192 with a slightly higher price tag of $91.98, but it offers some additional benefits that justify the cost. Like its predecessor, it combines a bottle jack and a jack stand into one unit, with a 3-ton capacity and a lift range of 11 to 21 inches. It's specifically designed for SUVs, trucks, vans, and even Jeeps, making it a versatile choice for larger vehicles. This jack features a wide base for added stability, which is especially beneficial on softer or uneven surfaces. It's built to last, with a sturdy steel construction and a built-in ratcheting safety bar to lock the height in place. One of the major selling points of this model is its improved design, which makes it safer and easier to use for unibody and body-on-frame vehicles alike. However, at 22.7 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the 640192, which might make it less portable for some users. Overall, the Power-Built 620471 strikes a great balance between price, performance, and safety. It's ideal for those who need a dependable, all-in-one solution for lifting and holding their vehicles securely. Pros include its rugged build, wide base, and versatility, while cons are its heavier weight and slightly higher price compared to the budget model. At number 2, we have the Big Red T8306 Touring Hydraulic Trolley Service Floor Jack. This heavy-duty jack is designed for long-term use, with a durable steel construction and an industrial luster that stands up to wear and tear. Its 3-ton capacity and impressive lift range of 5/7/8 inches to 20/7/8 inches make it a reliable choice for SUVs, trucks, and vans. Additionally, the extra-long saddle neck is a standout feature, saving you time when lifting higher vehicles. The Big Red T8306 is equipped with 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters, allowing for smooth and precise maneuverability. Its single-piston quick-lift pump makes raising the jack a breeze, while the safety bypass system prevents overloading for added peace of mind. At $88.29, this jack offers great value for its performance. But it's worth noting that it's heavier than some competitors at 36 pounds, which may make it less portable. This jack is ideal for those who prioritize durability, ease of use, and a higher lift range. Pros include its sturdy build, smooth mobility, and quick lift pump, while cons are its heavier weight and slightly bulkier design. Overall, it's a fantastic option for both casual users and professionals. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.